Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the must-haves: stable internet, quiet workspace, and a professional profile. Once done, pick 5 industries and 10 companies you actually want to contact and research decision-makers. Make sure to update your resume and LinkedIn with remote-specific keywords so applicant tracking and recruiters find you. Then, craft 3 short pitch templates: email, LinkedIn, and cold call that highlight measurable results. You'll use these immediately to start applying and networking the same day. Now you move into focused execution. Apply to 3 well-matched roles daily and tailor each application to the job description. Cite specific metrics and outcomes you delivered. At the same time, send 5 personalized LinkedIn messages per week to hiring managers or recruiters, referencing mutual contacts or recent company news. Make sure to use niche remote job boards and company career pages and ask current contacts for referrals. Once you get interviews, prepare concise case stories that in final steps you focus on interview mastery and closing offers. Rehearse 5 common sales scenarios and prepare 3 outcome-focused stories that show quota attainment and remote discipline. During offer talks, focus on total compensation, base, commission structure, quotas, and any remote reimbursements. Once you accept, set measurable 30/60/90-day goals. If responses dry up, troubleshoot, audit your pitch, resume, and LinkedIn for clarity, ask peers for critique, and iterate quickly so you return to outreach within 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.